Alright guys, I wanted to compare two of my favorite belts. Easy. Let me start with the Groove Life belt. Very simply made. Nylon. Aluminum. Neodymium magnets to connect it. Snaps on really quick. Been using it. It's very simple, very easy to use. It's very flexible too, like this. Stretches. See if you guys get you guys a better view. Stretches just enough. Not a lot, but just enough. Snaps on really quick. Nice, not too cheap. The aluminum buckle does feel a little bit cheap, but it does a great job of holding. No, I've had no issues with it. The only downside is made in China, so it's not as quality as I would like it to be, but honestly it gets the job done. And this thing runs about 60 bucks, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. You guys can correct me down below. Alright, put this aside. Let's get into the big boy. This is We the People holsters. This is their tactical belt. Everyday carry. It's meant for you to holster your firearm. Talon buckle, quality. Everything about this is quality. Even the belt here, it's super rigid, super stiff. It's not going anywhere. Super quality. Everything feels really well made. Quality. Look at this. I can't even set this down for you guys like this compared to this one. This is so rigid, so stiff. I can't set it down. So quality, We the People holsters, quality, made in the US, 100% made. See? It's nice, very well made. Good things and bad things. This thing, let me go with the God. I love this belt, honestly. I love it. It's amazing. This thing will not break. Very, I believe they have a lifetime warranty. I gotta double check, but if you guys know down below, let me know. Quality. The only bad thing is it's so stiff. Sometimes it gets annoying, and putting it on, it's a hassle because of this. This is to adjust the waist. When you're putting it in, it's such a headache. So you see this comes apart. It's so hard to put into your belt. So you slide it into a loop. It gets stuck here. Same thing when you're taking it off. It gets stuck here. This part gets stuck. So it's very hard to put on and hard to put off. Other than that, amazing quality. You will not be disappointed with this. Though again, like the only downside is taking it off and on. It's such a headache for this. If they can do something about that, would be great. But other than that, honestly, I don't see any flaw in this. Other than that, just that one thing that makes it so annoying putting it off and on. Again, and it's 100% made in the US. Quality right here. Quality, made in the US. This guy, honestly, it checks everything out. For being made in China, it's 60 bucks. This guy is like $85.99, I believe, but 60 bucks made in China. It's kind of a steep price for made in China, even though everything works flawlessly. Easy to put in, easy to loop, put it onto your pants. The buckle works 100%, no problem. Never had any problems with this. Stretches just enough, barely enough, just so you can feel really comfortable. Very easy to use, and to adjust it, very simple. You just pull this through here, and then you adjust it here to a nice little, just to tighten it up just a little bit. Both are quality belts, but honestly, I've been seeing that I'm using this one more often. I just wish they made something to fix this issue, putting the belt on and off. That's the only issue I have with this. Just very inconvenient. But other than that, I've been using this one really often. It's a little bit beat up now. I don't know if you guys can see. But 60 bucks, not too bad. I'm sure you can find something that's probably the same made in China but cheaper and save some money on that one. But for this one, 85 bucks. It's expensive, but I believe it'll last you a lifetime. Talon buckle, lifetime. Honestly, I don't know if you can even break this, honestly. But that's it. Any comments, guys? Leave me anything down below. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys use? Which is your favorite? If you guys use any or any ones you recommend, I can double check. I can look into. I can buy. That way we can check it out here, and you guys can experience it. That way I buy it. You guys don't have to waste your money on it. All right. Have a good one, guys.